I want to hang this heavy bag from my ceiling in my home gym. I took a measurement in between the floor joists, cut a board to length, tested it to fit. I also wanted to make a notch here to fit better around the joist. I'll remove this material from both sides. Now I've got the piece dry fit up there, nice and square, tight in place. I'll secure it with some screws, but first I want to figure out where the bag will hang, so I'm going to use a drop line to do that. I'm just going to use a tape measure to do this. And that's about right where I want it. I've marked where I want it to be centered. I'm also going to mark where to place it on the ceiling. This is a kit I bought from Amazon for mounting the heavy bag. I need to mount it to the top of this 2x6. So to do that, I need to install these lag bolts. First I'm going to countersink a couple of holes. And of course I want this to match the ceiling, so I'll give it a quick coat of paint. After the paint's dried, I'll install the bracket. I've now got it all screwed into the 2x6, ready to go install it. This is the other hardware that the kit came with that I bought on Amazon. I'll leave a link to that down below. I know the hardest part's going to be getting this bag up in the air. It weighs about 100 pounds. But I've got a couple ideas to do that by myself. So there it is. I've got it just hanging there from the joist. I'm going to attach a couple of screws, make sure that board doesn't twist in between the joist. And that's one way to hang a heavy bag. You can see here the swivel works really well to keep the bag moving around. It's got a nylon bushing up here for rotating back and forth with the spring. Pretty happy with the install. If you like content about outdoor gear or exercise equipment, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. We're posting stuff like this all the time. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped you out if you're trying to install a heavy bag in your basement.